Let's go to Alison Eastwood, Editor-in-Chief of Hello Canada magazine, joining us today from Toronto. Alison, what did you make of this first official outing, I guess?
Yes, this was Meghan Markle's debut as an almost member of the royal family, and she passed the test with flying colors.
What are Brits going to be looking for when they see these two, and especially from her in her first couple of times out as a royal or almost royal?
Well, I mean, how exciting must it have been to be in Nottingham today? They just happened to be the location for Meghan's first outing. I think that people are really looking to see how she conducts herself and really to see the chemistry between her and Harry in person. It was very much in evidence in their engagement interview, and they did not disappoint today.
Meaning what? What did you see when you see them together?
Well, a lot of people have noted already today that Harry and Meghan are a lot more touchy-feely than other members of the royal family. And it's true. If you compare them to William and Kate on most of their outings together, they're a lot more affectionate. They're, squeezing each other's hands, arm in arm. We have not seen that from royal couples in the past.
So what are the other kinds of activities we could see them doing ahead of the actual wedding?
Well, Meghan will be accompanying Harry on many of his official engagements, like the type of engagement you saw today for charities, many of them close to his heart, the AIDS charities particularly because it was such a big passion of his mother Diana's. And anything to do with children's charities, Meghan will be very interested in participating in those. We are also expecting to see her at Sandringham for Christmas, which would also break with royal protocol.
Meaning what? That breaks royal protocol in which way?
Usually people who are engaged to members of the royal family but not yet married don't receive official invitations to Sandringham, which is the Queen's country home, for Christmas. However, Meghan's family is in the States and she is already living with Harry at Nottingham Cottage. So we can expect that she might be a part of the royal family party attending church on Christmas morning.
Interesting. I guess we'll watch for that. Alison Eastwood, Editor-in-Chief of Hello Canada magazine. Thanks for your time today.
Thanks, Marilla.